Hello children, let's continue our first chapter. So children, kindly open your book, page number 18. Today we learn about Roman numerals. Children, already you know what is Roman numerals. There are 7 basic symbols used for writing any numeral in Roman system. Hindu-Arabic numerals, Roman numerals. We write I for 1, B for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500 and M or K for 1000. So these are 7 symbols are there. We use these symbols to write the Roman numerals. Here also some rules are there. Let's see rule number 1. If a symbol is repeated in Roman numerals, then its value is added as many times as it appears. Means what? Suppose here 2I are there, means one I is for 1 and another I is for another 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Then 3I. 1 plus 1 equal to 3. Then x plus x plus x. X means 10. 10, 10. So 30. C means children what? 100. 2C means 200. So here one box is given. What? No symbol is Roman numerals is repeated more than 3 times. Let's see children. 3 times you repeat, but more than 3 times you cannot repeat. Symbols V, L and D are never repeated. Only I, X, C or M can be repeated. Okay, clear rule number 1? Then comes to rule number 2. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of greater value, then its value is added to the value of greater symbol. What is the meaning of this sentence, children? Let's see the example. Here suppose VI is written. V means children you know 5 and I means 1. So V value is larger and I value is smaller. Here written smaller value is written to the right side. Here written smaller value in right side and left side is larger value or greater value. In that case you add that two numbers, means V for you write 5, I for you write 1. So 5 plus 1 equal to 6. Then V triple I. V means 5, triple I means triple 1. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 8. X double I. X means 10. 2I means 1 plus 1. 12. XV. 10 plus 5 equal to 15. LX. L means 50. X means 10. 50 plus 10 equal to 60. LXV. 50 plus 10 plus 5. So these are the example of rule number 2. Here right side is smaller value and left side is greater value. Okay. Then comes to rule number 3. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of greater value, then its value is subtracted from the value of the greater symbol. Just opposite of rule number 2. Here see example IV means here left side symbol is smaller one and right side symbol is larger one. So in that case you subtracted from bigger number to smaller number. Means 5 means you write first. B means you write first 5 then minus 1. I means 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. Here IX. I means 1. X means 10. You cannot subtract from 1 minus 10. So 10 minus 1 you subtract, then answer is 9. Like this, suppose CM. C means children 100. M means 1000. So 1000 minus 100. Then the answer is 900. Clear? See the box. V, L and D are never written on the left of a symbol of higher value. That is V, L and can never be subtracted. I can be subtracted from X and V only. X can be subtracted from L and C only. C can be subtracted from D and M only. A smaller symbol can be subtracted from a greater symbol just one time. Okay. Then rule number 4. If a smaller numeral is placed between two greater numerals, then it is always subtracted from the greater numeral. Immediately follow it. For example, XIV. X is greater value, V also greater value, but I is smaller one. So you subtracted this I to the immediate following numeral, means V minus 1, 5 minus 1. Okay, see like this. X means here you write first 10 plus IV means 5 minus 1 means 4, 10 plus 4 is 14. XIX. X means 10, then 10 minus 1 is 19. Like this, rule number 4. Then comes to rule number 5. If a bar is placed over a numeral, then it is multiplied by 1000. For example, when you write only V means children, it is 5. When you write only X means 10. When you write only L is 50. But when you write V bar, bar means you multiply 1000, that is 5000. X bar means 10,000. L bar means 50,000. Like this. For example, for each of the following Arabic Hindu numerals, write the corresponding Roman numeral. Here Hindu Arabic numbers are given. You have to write in Roman numerals. See the examples. First one is 16. 16 means children 10 plus 6. 10 means X. 6 means VI. So XVI. Then 24. 24 means 20 plus 4. XXIV. 49. 40 plus 9. 40 means 50 minus 10. Then plus 9. XLIX. Like this you see all the examples. Okay. Thank you.